The question on the board is exercise question 2.38. The question is benzene and toluene form ideal solution over the entire range of composition. The vapor pressure of pure benzene and toluene at 300 Kelvin is 50.71 mmHg and 32.06 mmHg respectively. Calculate the mole fraction of benzene in vapor phase if 80 gram of benzene is mixed with 100 gram toluene. तो ये क्वेश्चन राउल्ट्स लॉ पे बेस्ड है, तो सॉल्व करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को यूजिंग राउल्ट्स लॉ. Vapor pressure of solution P equal to P naught A XA plus P naught B XB. So let A component is benzene and B component is toluene. So we have to find the mole fraction of benzene, that is XA, which is number of moles of benzene given mass upon molar mass. So 80 gram is given mass and 78 is molar mass of benzene divided by total number of moles 80 upon 78 plus number of moles of toluene, which is 100 upon 92. If you solve it, you will get 80 upon 78 whole upon 80 into 92 plus 100 into 78 upon 78 into 92. This will be cancelled and you will reach to 80 into 92 upon 80 into 92 plus 100 into 78. So on solving this, mole fraction of benzene will come as 0.48 and XB will be coming as 1 minus 0.48, that is 0.52. Now let us make this equation number 1 and then putting the values in equation 1. So P equal to P naught A is 50.71 into XA, which is 0.48 plus 32.06 into 0.52. So this P will come as 41.01 mmHg. Now we have to find the mole fraction of benzene in vapor phase. So this will be solved as mole fraction of benzene in vapor phase YA equal to vapor pressure of benzene in solution divided by total vapor pressure of solution. Now This will come as 50.71 into mole fraction of benzene in solution, which is 0.48 upon total vapor pressure of solution is 41.01. On solving this, you will be getting the answer as 0.6. So this is the mole fraction of benzene in the vapor phase.